Want to give your text a bold 3D look in Photoshop? In this tutorial, I'll show you a quick and easy way to create a 3D text effect in just a few steps. Let's dive in. Start by typing your text and then press Ctrl+J to duplicate the text layer. Next, press Ctrl+G to group the duplicated layer. Now, drag the group layer below the original text layer. Right-click on the group layer and go to Blending Options. Choose Color Overlay. Select black as the color and click OK. After that, press Ctrl+J to duplicate the text layer. Press Ctrl+T to enter the transform mode, then press the down arrow key once and the left arrow key once to shift the layer slightly. Now, press Ctrl+Alt+Shift+T to duplicate the transformation, creating a 3D effect. I'll make 30 copies, but you can adjust this number based on your preference. Select the top 7 to 10 copies and group them together. Drag this group below the first one. Finally, right-click on Group 2, return to Blending Options. Choose Color Overlay with black again, and reduce the opacity of Group 2 to around 28% for a shadow effect. And that's it! You've just created a 3D text effect in Photoshop. Play around with the number of duplicates and opacity settings to customize your design. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out my latest tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.